getting ready to do here?
Well, I'm going to install a new bulkhead. Remember a few weeks ago we looked at the bulkhead and it was just a series of wooden doors that were in pretty tough shape, mainly because there was a leader tube that came down from the gutter and it was just dumping water over it for years. And it was completely rotted away and not very secure. So now we're going to replace it. So put in some new concrete, formed it up, and poured in a level base all the way around.
I suppose nobody would really seriously consider rebuilding a wood door, would they?
No, considering that the metal units are about $250, you certainly couldn't build a set of wooden doors for that kind of money.
Well, show me what comes in this kit.
There's only a few parts, actually. There's a lower cross piece, a header piece, 2 side panels, some torsion bars which help keep the doors open. And you see they're all primed, so we don't have to worry about getting them painted right away.
Great. Well, I'll give you a hand putting it together. What's the first step?
First step is to attach the sides to these cross pieces.
All set here, Norm. How about the bottom?
Okay, yeah, you can start putting that together. Here's the screws.
So what's the next step, Norm?
Well, we're just going to set it in the opening here and push it up against the house. And we'll set the doors on it and make sure it's square before we mark our holes. All right, Steve, bring over one of those doors. We'll put it in place to true up the unit. Just lift it up just a little bit. Slip this pin in. Good. Okay, Steve, got a pin in here. Okay, that's that one. Okay, Steve. Well, now we got to drill some holes in the masonry to anchor the whole unit through the slots that are already made. But before we do that, I want you to close the doors, make sure they're closing square to one another, and then plumb up these tall ends of the bulkhead.
Okay. So just eyeball these?
Yeah, see if they're straight across the bottom. Look okay?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
pretty good.
How about plumbing up the corner near the house first?
Just with this level. That's pretty good.
Okay, how about the other side?
It's got to come in toward you about half.
Okay. That should be it.
That's good.
Okay, I'm going to mark the holes. Okay, Steve, I got these marked. Now I can come out. Oops. Let me out.
What's next?
All right, before it moves, I want to mark these bottom holes. Right here. Here. And right there. Now we'll move the whole unit out of the way and drill them out. Okay, Steve, now in each hole, I'm going to put one of these little plastic shields. And what happens is when we set the bulkhead back in place and drive these screws in, it'll expand the plastic, holding it down firmly. Okay, Steve, that's not going to go anywhere. Now the torsion bars.
Torsion bars. These are kind of like a suspension system for these doors. It makes it easy to lift the doors up, you know, have to fight the whole way to the door.
Go down to you a little. That's right, and it actually helps hold the door up. The gust of wind comes along. There.
Okay. Ready for the next one?
Yep.
All right.
That's it.
That's for the torsion bars.
All right, let's try it.
It's pretty good. What's
Good.
left to finish it off?
A little bit of clapboards up at the top and put a lock on it, and I'm done.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification icon for the latest videos as they are released. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.